Donald Trump spent the day campaigning in Youngstown, Ohio. Trump outlined his plan to fight ISIS at home and abroad. He didn't repeat his call for a ban on Muslims, but he does want to implement a new test for immigrants coming to the U.S. from countries with ties to terrorism. Trump also wants to stop nation building, meaning removing dictators to put in American-friendly governments. And he wants law enforcement to focus on signs of radicalization within the U.S.
We cannot let this evil continue, nor can we let the hateful ideology of radical Islam, its oppression of women, gays, children, and nonbelievers be allowed to reside or spread within our own countries.
Trump's speech was overshadowed by reports that his campaign chair, Paul Manafort, was on a list for secret payments from a pro-Russian political party in Ukraine. Manafort denies that claim. Hillary Clinton spent the day campaigning in Scranton, Pennsylvania.